she outgrew brass buckles on her shoes. By 12 she was filling out her jeans. With a mind young and wild and a body that the devil styled, she could make a man do anything. She was old enough to try anything that crossed her mind.